Guys, we got a special video for you today. We're up here at Dan's and we're gonna go for a ride in a very special car. All right, guys, it's gonna be sweet. Can you hear that rumble? Hey, you like that pistol grip, Dan?
It's all right.
She got loose on it. A car that needs no introduction. Dan, you gotta let me catch it on video. Oh, goddamn.
You want to buy a SuperBird?
Did you get to see us doing the donuts? Hey, what? Did you get to see us doing the donuts? The donuts and
For those of you who don't know, this was the BarnFind SuperBird from Jonesboro, Arkansas. The job that Dan and I worked, selling all the stuff off. The car will be listed for sale here pretty soon. 444 barrel, 4-speed. It's a really nice car.
The horn don't work. I'd say it needs gas in the tank.
Yeah.
Well, Jed, how'd that make you feel? You just started a SuperBird.
I feel like a man now.
You are a man. Your testicles have finally dropped.
They did, I can feel them.
We'll get them out of the car.
Well, I sure hope you guys enjoyed that video because, well, I've been waiting to post it for over a year and I finally got the green light to post it. And man, oh man, I wish I had my GoPro and everything else I had now because that video is shaky, it's terrible. God, it could have been so much cooler. And there goes a mud dauber. He's trying to get in the garage. There he went. Whoop. Anyway, so yeah, it was a lot of fun. That thing was definitely cool. That's a real BarnFind 70 SuperBird. 440 4-barrel 4-speed car. It's wicked cool. Belonged to Terry Sevener out of Jonesboro, Arkansas. It's part of the big Arkansas BarnFind that happened a year ago or 2 years ago, around February time. I went down there and worked there for a couple weeks. It was pretty cool. Terry had a lot of cool shit. It's a shame he's gone, but it's also a good thing he's gone because that means these cars are getting taken care of. The SuperBird was taken care of inside, but there were a lot of good cars sitting outside, including an A12 Super B that should have been inside instead of some other cars. But anyways, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I apologize because it was shaky because that was back in the day when I was using my phone to film instead of this here GoPro that I'm filming on right now. But I'm just going to give you some updates just to fill up some time, just because I realized that video is a lot shorter than I remember it being. So let's go check out some shit. All right, well, you don't get much more cold start than this. 3 pumps, hold halfway down. Well, I'm gonna sit here and let it warm up, and we're gonna make our way to the gas station. God, I hope we make it. All right, I put 5 gallons of gas in a gas can because, well, nothing sucks more than getting stranded. So now we're good on the gas gauge. Let me just show you. Bam. We're good on the gas gauge. So we're gonna let her warm up for a little bit, get a little heat in her, and then we're gonna cruise on down to the old gas station. Woo! Really hate this shifter. It sucks dick. Oh God. Never buy that B&M shifter. It sucks. Straight in the fucking third. Screw that shifter. Screw that fucking shifter to hell. I'm sorry for cursing so much, but God, I hate that shifter so much. It ain't even funny. I can't even downshift. God, gotta change that thing. See? It just locked itself into its fucking... Well, we made it, guys. We made it to the gas station. Let's fill her up and head on home. Ooh, a butterfly. Ooh. That's not a butterfly, that's a moth. Huh. That's weird. That's a big ass moth. Well, so much for a first fill up. Guess what? Either that's the filler neck or the gas tank's bad. It's a brand new gas tank, so that sucks. Well, I guess back home. So much for victory. Oh well, fuck it. Anyways, we'll just end it here because I might die in a balls of fire. So hope you guys enjoyed. I really do hope you enjoyed the SuperBird video, and I hope you got some kind of comedy out of the dark, maybe catch on fire. So take care, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one, and hopefully not well done.